Good afternoon to one and all. We have already started a problems on magnetic circuit, series magnetic circuits and series magnetic circuits with air gap. So this was the last problem we have already given. This problem already we have taken that one, and I was having given the work as a assignment. Sorry, work homework. This one. I don't know how many of you solved. So I have given the hint also for this one, how to solve this one and all the things I was already explained about this one. So anyone have you solved?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One, two. और कौन solve की? Any other? Nobody except two. Only two members they have solved. Only two members. 65, 68, 71. So listen, we have solved flux density. All of you have calculated this one. Flux is
Yes, sir.
given and the area is given. So the magnetic flux density is the flux per unit area. So 5 divided by A. 5 is 8 into 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by area is 10 centimeter square. It is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 3. How we got 3? Already 10 is there. 10 into 10 to the power of minus 4 it will come. So 1 plus 10 minus 10 both will get cancelled. 1 just a minute. Just a minute. So the flux density we have calculated from this one. So this is the diagram according to this problem. A ring has a diameter of 21 centimeter. This is the diameter of that one. The center line, we have not taken the outer layer, outer ring. Why? Because the flux will flow in the center only. The flux will be flow in the particular path in the center of the core. It is going to flow here now. So that flux to this flux, how much the diameter is there? 21 centimeter diameter is there. So here 21 diameter and a cross sectional area of 10 centimeter square. This area is 10 centimeter squares. It may be this area, it may be air gap area, whatever it may be. So all are similar, only one the width they are using here now. So the cross sectional area will be same only. The ring is made up of semicircular sections. Semicircular, it is not this one. Consider from here to here. It is a semicircular only. Here also semicircular only. So the ring is made up of semicircular sections. Here एक section use किए, इधर एक section use किए, इधर एक ये sections only. Semicircular sections of cast iron material we are using. This is the iron material. And cast steel, this is the steel material we are using here now, with each joints having a reluctance equal to an air gap of 2 mm. Each joint means ये iron material है, इधर steel material है, ये दोनों को joint करना है ना, अभी सेमी सर्कुलर करना है तो सेमी सर्कुलर रिंग बनाना है तो ये दोनों को ज्वाइंट करना है. सो ये ज्वाइनिंग का सेक्शन कैसे है? इट इज 0.2 mm gap they have given here now in between that one. This is 0.2 mm and this is 0.2 mm gap they have given here now. So find the ampere turns. इसका कंफ्यूजन क्लियर हो गया ना? अभी दो मटेरियल यूज किए, अभी सेमी सर्कुलर का दोनों ज्वाइंट किए तो इट विल बिकम ए सर्कुलर रिंग हो जाएगा. किधर दो एंड्स है, 2 पॉइंट्स आर देयर, दोनों पॉइंट को ये पॉइंट इधर ज्वाइन करना है, ये पॉइंट इधर ज्वाइन करना है, बट ईच जॉइंट को हमने 0.2 mm गैप देना है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एरिया वी आर गोइंग टू कॉल हियर नाउ. सो फाइंड द एम्पियर टर्न्स रिक्वायर्ड टू प्रोड्यूस ए फ्लक्स. टोटल mmf we have to calculate to produce a flux of 8 into 10 to the power of minus 6 Weber. The relative permeabilities of the steel, this relative permeability of the steel is 800 and iron is 166. Iron का 166 है. So and neglect fringing and leakage. Leakage and fringing अभी explain नहीं किया तुमको, so you don't consider this one here now. So according to that, first you write the given data. We have to, according to the question, we have to draw the diagram here now. So this is the diameter, this is area and sorry of area, and the area is 10 centimeter square he has given already. So phi is given 8 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Weber. Area is 10 centimeter square and this one will be 10 into 10 to the power of minus 4 is 10 to the power of minus 3 meter square. From this we can calculate B equal to 5 by A. We have calculated here. Flux density मालूम है हमको. So what is the question? Ampere turns we have to calculate. Ampere turns is nothing but mmf. We know the formula of mmf equal to Ni equal to HL. Yes, HL मालूम है हमको. To calculate the HL, L we can calculate from this one. Each one have, this is the length, this is the length. From the diameter we can calculate the L. But how to calculate H? Any formulas to use we can for the H?
Air gap into
B by mu 0 mu r.
B by mu. Directly mu also we can tell that one.
Yes, sir.
So B equal to mu H, we know the formula. We can from the H equal to B by mu, we can write down. Mu is nothing but mu naught mu r. Yes, mu naught mu r. Mu naught is the area, sorry, permeability of free space, and mu r is the relative permeability. You can call that one. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So how many types of materials are there? Air gap, iron and steel. Three materials are there. For each material we have to calculate mmf separately. Then total sum mmf equal to summation of the mmf. Each mmf, individual mmf, we can do that one. Individual mmf we have to do that one here now. So first one. First for the air gap I will consider. How many air gaps are there here? This diagram. Two air gaps. 0.2 and 0.2. 0.2 into 2 mm we can write length. Total
Yes,
length. So 2 into 0.2 is nothing but 0.4 mm. M is nothing but milli, and sorry why is 0.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter, or we can write 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4. We can write down this point I have shifted here, and it is 10 to the power of minus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 4.
Minus 4.
This is the length of the air gap we have calculated. What about the H now? B, we know that one. B by mu naught, because mu r is 1 for the air gap or free space. Relative permeability for vacuum or air, it is 1. You can assume that one mu r equal to 1. So B you substitute 0.8 value divided by mu naught equal to 4.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Already you know that one. This one. You substitute it and calculate that one. Answer आ गए?
Yes, sir.
6.366 into 10 to the power of 5. Yes.
Are you?
Yes, sir.
Ampere turn per meter. Okay. Now the mmf equal to HL. mmf of air gap we are going to consider here now. Ampere turn required equal to H ka value already you have identified. You substitute here and L value, you substitute this one, it is equal to 255, we'll get the answer. How many of you got this one, 255?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 members. शुभम, अश्मिता, नेक्स्ट और कोई आंसर आ गया? 250 और किसी को आंसर है? ये दोनों ही पास होने वाला शायद, ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को। ठीक है, दिस इज एम्पियर टर्न्स आर mmf for the air gap only. This is for the air gap. Next, what we'll do, we'll calculate for the steel material. Just you tell me, here the diameter he has given, how to calculate diameter into length?
Circumference formula.
Circumference formula, what is the formula for circumference?
Pi d.
I am coding.
5d?
Yes, sir.
5d. If the 5d is nothing but this total, you will get that one. Okay, except this air gap,
Yes,
you
sir.
remove that one. But here, how many parts are there? Half circle is the iron is there, another half is steel is there. So 5d
Steel.
by 2, we can use this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5d by 2. For that reason, for the steel material, the H equal to, you have to calculate B mu naught mu R equal to B value, we know that one. Mu naught is 45 into 10 to the power of -7, already he has given. Mu R also he has given in the, for the steel material. What is the mu R here out of these two?
800.
800 is the
800.
mu R, relative permeability of the steel material here now. So you substitute all values, 0.8 divided by 45 into 10 to the power of -7 into 800 equal to 796 ampere turn per meter. You got H this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next path is nothing but length, we have to calculate. Length actually is circumference formula 5d. If the diameter he has given means 5d, we can use that one. But here only half of the circle is there, steel material. So 5d by 2 we are using. This length is applicable for both steel and iron. Steel ka bhi length same hai, iron ka bhi length same hai, because both are equal only, na? Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So path equal to 5d by 2. D is how much here? 21 centimeter. So
21.
21 into 10 to the power of -2 into 5 by 2 here. It is nothing but 33 centimeter equal to 0.33 meter.
Meter.
Correct? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
multiplication of this one and this one. 0.33 into 796, it will give the ampere turns of the steel material. Ampere turns of the steel material. Yes?
Yes.
Got this answer or not?
Yes,
How
sir.
many of you got this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got.
Okay, one more added. Third student also added. Okay, very good. Next, the last material, that is iron part, you calculate here now. So for the iron parts, you can use the same formula for the all three materials. The length is same for this iron also. So path is 0.33 mm. Direct we can write down. Calculate H here, because or B is same, mu naught is same, but the mu R value he has given separately here now. This is the mu R value for the iron part here now. While confusing for you people, see here. Here the first cast iron दिए, second steel दिए. But mu R देने के time क्या किए? First steel दिए, second iron दिए. So which one respectively use किए तो? You have to use the comparison difference and we have to read the question carefully. So the relative permeability of the iron is 166 here now. So flux density into the mu naught value 4.5 here, 4 is missing here now. 4.5 into 10 to the power of -7 into 166 equal to how much है? देखो आंसर देखो एक बार.
Yes, sir.
Correct है? 3835.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3835 ampere turn per meter, and the path is 0.33 mm. So multiplication of these two, it will get 1 to 1265 ampere turn. 1265 ampere turn we are going to get, that is mmf here now. So what is the question? Find the ampere turns required to produce the flux. Flux is related to all. So all means he has to asked a total ampere turn is nothing but total mmf of the circuit. This complete circuit mmf he has asked that one. So what you have to do? Total mmf of the circuit equal to ampere turns of area, ampere turns of steel, ampere turns of iron. It will give the summation of this all three. It will give the total mmf of that one. Total ampere turns equal to 255 plus 263 plus 1265 equal to 1783. This is the answer. We have discussed so many problems, I think. Yes, around 4 or 5 problems we have discussed on magnetic circuit. So it will complete the magnetic circuit, means series magnetic circuit it is going to complete here. All of you got this answer? Same problem
Yes,
I
Yes,
have
sir.
taken, which is already available in the BL Tereja volume 1 textbook. BL Tereja volume 1 से ही copy paste किया मैंने इधर. Okay. So we'll go for the next topic. All of you take the heading. Heading ले लो. Take the heading and take this diagram also. Better option. Magnetic leakage, otherwise direct leakage flux and fringing. ऐसे ही ले लो. Leakage flux and fringing. Leakage flux and fringing. Fringing. Over.
over, sir.
Okay, all of you finished it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now close the book and listen carefully. Later we will dictate that one. Here actually leakage flux is nothing but magnetic leakage also we can call that one. Instead of flux, we will tell that one magnetic leakage here now. See here. First I will tell that one. It is a solenoid ring. It is a iron part. It may be air or whatever it may be. Here the number of terms are the winding here now. So this circuit, whatever you it is looking here, this one electromagnetic, we are going to call that one here now. This iron part, iron core, is acts as a magnet whenever the current will flow here now. So electric current will flow through this coil or winding. It will act as a magnet. So electro means electrical current, and magnet means because of this one, this iron act as a magnet and magnetic flux will be produced. Understood? Electromagnetic means what?
Yes.
First point it is. Later we'll discuss that one. So for your basic understanding, I am telling that one. Here the electric current is passing. For that reason, this iron is acts as a magnet, and a magnetic field will be produces here now. Flux will produce it means magnetic field will be produces. That was for that reason only electromagnetic. We are the name came here now. Magnet we are going to call that one here now. So according to the principle of the magnetic circuit, the magnetic flux, इतना problems discuss किए हमने, magnetic flux center में ही लिया है. Yes, center of the core, the magnetic flux will be take considered. Yes, that is the intended path. Our path of flux should be at the center of the core only. Then only we can use the application as motor, generator, transformer, and all the things here now. So you will consider at the center of the core, we will consider that is useful flux only. Other flux it is, we are not going to consider that one. Other flux we are not going to consider. Somewhere it is there, but other flux we are not going to consider here. If the center of the core, whatever the flux lines are there, that one we are considering means for the magnetic work. So that is called useful flux we are going to consider here. We are going to tell that one. This line, दिख रहा है ये line? Center of the core.
Yes, sir.
So that flux we are going to call as useful flux. We are going to call that one. So why it is not coming? Spotlight is not coming. शेयर किए क्या? अभी अभी दिख रहे? मैंने इतना रोटेशन करने के बाद नहीं दिख रहा था क्या? ठीक है. Roll number 25 is joining. So this one, whatever this line is there, center line, it is useful flux. We are using this flux line. Suppose example I will consider previous problem. From this line to this line only they have given the diameter. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is the flux at the center of the core is useful. That flux we are going to call as useful flux. We are going to call that one. Useful flux only we are going to call. And whatever the flux will flow at the center of the core, that is the intended path. Required path is that one. If some flux will not be continue, it will not be flow in the circular ring of the iron core continuously. It will take short fallen of the closer path in between. Meanwhile ये बाहर आ जाते, इधर closer path create करते, इधर closer path create करते. But this flux is not useful. We are not using this flux here now. So that flux we are going to call as leakage flux. We are going to call here. Actual intended path is this one, but because of this, what will happen? The actual intended path flux will not flow over there. Meanwhile, only in a short period, it is going to some leakage will occur here now. Some leakage will occurs here. That is called leakage flux. Leakage flux we are going to call that one here now. So for example, I will tell that one. सबका घर के ऊपर सिंटेक्स है. Yes. सिंटेक्स में पानी भरा वाला है. हमारा तुम्हारा बाथरूम में पानी आना है, बट बीच में बाथरूम से पानी टैप से पहले ही किधर तो लीकेज हो गए, तो वो लीकेज पानी यूज होने वाला है क्या तुमको?
No, sir.
No. Whatever the water it is going to fill in the bucket, that is useful. Like that, The center flux we are going to useful flux we are going to consider. Whatever the middle before that center, only some short path it has taken, that is leakage flux we are going to call that one, which is not useful at all. Understood? Leakage flux and useful flux. These 2 points we have to clear now first. Later we will go for the fringing. This is शॉर्ट इधर हो सकते हैं, इधर किधर तो शॉर्टेज हो सकते हैं, शॉर्ट होके ये पाथ क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. दैट इज नॉट यूजफुल एट ऑल. So the flux which is not useful, that is leakage flux we are going to consider. The center of the core, whatever in the intended path the flux will flow, that is useful for the other processes. So that flux we are going to consider as useful flux we are going to call that one. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, fringing we are going to call it. Yes, any questions? Any questions?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Now we will consider fringing here now. So here, up to here, the core is there. Core material we are using, it may be iron or steel here now. At this point, we will consider as a air gap here now. This is the air gap. But we all know that one, the flux will also flow in the air gap also. Yes, flux will also flow in the air gap. So at the center of the area, whatever the flux will flow, that will becomes the useful flux only we are going to call that one. Yes. So here the area is this one, whatever the outer layer and inner of the core, whatever the core width is there, that one we are going to consider as area we are going to consider here. If the actual area of the air gap is here and here, but some bulge outside the required path, some bulge is there here now. B, this one up to either तक क्या आना है हमको air gap. So flux should flow here only, up to here and here only. But outside that area, outside the area of air gap also, some flux linkages are occurred here now. Because of that bulge in the outside of the air gap here also and here also it is happened. So because of this, the air gap will be increases here. Area, cross sectional area will be increased here.
Yes, sir.
Area will be increased means what will happen in the flux density?
Decreases.
Decreases here now. So whatever this bulge outside the air gap, outside the required path, whatever the B to B dash is there, extended path or extended path of the flow, that is called fringing we are going to call that one. That is called fringing. We are going to call that one as fringing here now. इसके लिए मैं भी एग्जांपल ले लेता हूँ. सपोज एनी टैप ले लो, पाइप से पानी आ रहा है, मोटर लगाए तुमने, पाइप के अंदर है तो उसको पाइप कितना विड्थ का रहते हैं उतना ही आ जाते पानी. सपोज एट द एड्ज में क्या हो जाते, पाइप से ज्यादा विड्थ इंक्रीज होके आ जाते. यस, पाइप से थोड़ा बड़ा ही और उसका एरिया है ना, उसका विड्थ इंक्रीज हो जाते पानी का. यस सर, नो वो भी
Yes,
छोड़ दो.
sir.
अभी कुछ
Yes.
पैर के लिए कुछ दर्द हो गए, कुछ तो एक्सीडेंट में कुछ तो लग गए, उनको खून आ गए बाहर, उसको स्किन डैमेज हो गए, उस टाइम में whatever the swelling हो जाते हैं उसका, it's nothing but that is whatever the outer extends the area, it will comes, some skin will be developed or some swelling will be there. Like that in the area some bulge is there, that bulge we are going to call as fringing we are going to call. The fringing is increased, then the flux density will be decreases here, inversely proportional to the flux density. Phi by A, because of his increasing of the fringing, the area will be increases, area of the area will be increases, so the flux density will be decreases. So this is nothing but fringing we are going to call. Here the leakage flux, this is the useful flux. These three are the very important point. Some 1 marks question may come over here. If the fringing is increased, what about the flux density? They can call that one here. Whatever the shorten fallen of the flux, it can be useful or unuseful leaks, leakage flux, like that. Some 4-3 questions options they can give, and you can give the answer of that one here now. Is it clear? Leakage flux, useful flux, and fringing here now. So this leakage flux we are going to call as phi L, we are going to call that one. Leakage flux will be phi L. and useful flux we are going to call as phi u. What is the total flux of this circuit? Phi equal to phi L
5
plus phi u.
plus 5
Plus
Leakage
5U.
plus this one here. So एग्जाम्पल वो भी कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. अभी 20 लीटर का सिंटेक्स है. 20 लीटर में तुमको 15 लीटर ही बाहर आया पानी बकेट में और 5 लीटर कहाँ गए? That is called leakage. You can call that one like that. We can the total flux equal to phi L plus phi U. We can call that one. Just I am giving the example of the syntax, bucket and all the things. Okay. समझ में आने के लिए एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Take
sir.
down. Next heading you take down. इसका डायग्राम का नीचे you take down leakage flux. Leakage flux. लीकेज फ्लक्स बोल के अंडरलाइन करो, उसको एरो मार्क दे दो. द मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स व्हिच डज नॉट फॉलो द डबल इनवर्टेड कमे में लिखना है तो भी लिख दो. द मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स व्हिच डज नॉट फॉलो the magnetic flux which does not follow the particular does not follow the particular intended path in a magnetic circuit. Full point. Next line. When a current is passed through a solenoid, comma, magnetic flux is produced. When a current is passed through a solenoid, comma, magnetic flux is produced by it. Magnetic flux is produced by it. Full point. Next heading ले लो, यूजफुल फ्लक्स का हेडिंग ले लो. यूजफुल फ्लक्स. एक मिनट. Don't take the useful flux heading. You write leakage flux का heading लिया ना already?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. नेक्स्ट लाइन में लिख दो. नेक्स्ट लाइन और एक नेक्स्ट लाइन में पैराग्राफ करके लिखो. प्रैक्टिकली it is not possible that all the flux in the circuit follows a particularly intended path, particularly intended path, and sets off in the magnetic core, sets up in the magnetic core, and thus and thus and thus and thus some of the flux and thus some of the flux some of the flux also sets up, and some of the flux also sets up around the coil around the coil around the coil or around the coil or surrounds the core of the coil 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 and 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 is not utilized for any work and is not utilized for any work and is not utilized for any work in the magnetic circuit in the magnetic circuit the magnetic circuit. Full point. This type of flux this type of flux this type of flux this type of flux which is not used for any work this type of flux which is not used for any work not used for any work is called leakage flux. Not used for any work is called leakage flux and it is denoted by and it is denoted by phi L equal symbol phi L. Full point. Now you take the heading of useful flux का heading ले लो. Take the useful flux heading and take this one first paragraph. पहला line है ना, ये complete ले लो first paragraph. Take the heading of useful flux in bracket phi u लिखो, underline करो. Next, most of the flux is set up in the core of the solenoid. Most of the flux is set off in the core of the solenoid. Set off of the core of the solenoid and passes through the particular path that is through the air gap that is through the air gap and is utilized in the magnetic circuit. Through the air gap and is utilized in the magnetic circuit. full point. This flux is known as this flux is known as this flux is known as useful flux. This flux is known as useful flux, useful flux, and is denoted by phi u, is denoted by phi u, phi u. Full point. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next line, make a paragraph. The total flux phi produced by the solenoid, the total flux, A line le lo, the total flux phi, the total flux phi produced by the total flux phi produced by the solenoid, produced by the solenoid, produced by the solenoid in the magnetic circuit is, in the magnetic circuit is the magnetic circuit is the phi equal to phi u plus phi l. Write this one, phi u equal to phi u plus phi l, phi equal to phi u plus phi l. Over.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next, take the heading of fringing. Fringing का heading ले लो. Take the heading of fringing. The useful flux when sets off in the air gap. The useful flux when sets up in the air gap, the useful flux when sets up in the air gap, comma, it tends to bulge, B-U-L-G-E, bulge outwards. It tends to bulge outward at ब्रैकेट में लिखो B and B dash, ब्रैकेट में लिखो B and B dash, bracket close, as shown in figure, comma, because of this bulging, the effective area of the, because of this bulging, the effective area of the, the effective area of the air gap, the effective area of the air gap increases, the effective area of the air gap increases and the flux density of the air gap decreases. The flux density of the air gap decreases. Full point. Continue. Full point. Continue. This effect is known as fringing. This effect is known as fringing, and the longer the air gap, air gap ज्यादा है तो क्या होने वाला है? Fringing will be
Greater.
greater, almost obviously. So the longer the air gap and air gap, the greater is the fringing. The longer the air gap, comma, the greater is the fringing. Air gap, the greater is the fringing. Full point. So it almost completes the second part of this your magnetic circuit unit. That is nothing but what we have discussed: series magnetic circuit with air gap, its problem, leakage and fringing. Up to here it is over now. Next we will go for the electromagnetic induction. We have to go. Before that one, up to here we have studied magnetic circuit only. Actually we have studied electromagnetic also, but we have discussed electromagnetic. We have not yet discussed it completely. So we will discuss some principle of electromagnetic. Don't take this one. I will not dictate part this one, because this theory part just for your understanding I will explain that one. Actual syllabus is there. Electromagnetic induction से चालू हो जाते हैं. Okay, we are not starting electromagnetic induction. Electromagnet means what? We are going to discuss here now. So the principle of electromagnetism plays an important role in the operation of the electric machine. Electric machine is nothing but not only motor. Machine means it may be motor, it may be generator, it may be solenoid, or it may be transformer also. It will comes under electric machine only. Okay, so electromagnetic mechanism almost we are applying in motor, transformer and generator. Remember here. So motor will operate on electromagnetic device. It is electromagnetic device. Generator is also electromagnetic device, and even transformer also electromagnetic device here. Three materials are electromagnetic materials because it will operate. Electromagnetic circuit is also there, electrical circuit is also there in that one here. So the basic idea behind an electromagnetic is a magnetic field around the conductor can be produced when the current flows through a conductor here. So ये कंडक्टर है, उसके अंदर करंट पास हो तो उसके सराउंडिंग एरिया मैग्नेटिक करंट फ्लो हो जाए, सॉरी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस हो जाते. Yes or no? You may not experience about that one. I think I will tell you. खेत में बड़ा बड़ा वायर्स गए वाला रहते, मालूम है शायद. और you may heard the accidents of that one. वायर को टच करने से पहले ही शॉक लग जाते हैं उनको. So electrical field is there. Like that, in a conductor, around the conductor, some magnetic field will also produce us over there here. So in other words, the magnetic field only exists when electric current is flowing here now. वो conductor के अंदर whenever current is flowing, then only the magnetic field will be exist. So here core कौन सा है? Air is act as a core only. एयर है ना, उसको कंडक्टर के बीच में अभी सपोज वाइंडिंग किया वाला है, उसके अंदर का क्या रहता है? एयर कोर्ड कॉइल वी आर गोइंग टू कॉल दैट वन. Whenever the current will flow in that conductor, the magnetic field will be produced around that conductor. If the current is flowing only, the magnetic field will be produced. Otherwise, there is no magnetic field at all. By using this simple principle, you can create all sorts of things, including motors. ये simple method से हमने sort कर सकते हैं. मोटर, सोलेनॉइड, रीड, राइट, हेड्स फॉर हार्ड डिस्क, टेप ड्राइवर्स. हार्ड डिस्क में कैसे ऑपरेट हो जाते हैं? टेप ड्राइवर्स, वीडियो प्लेयर्स, डीवीडी प्लेयर्स है ना, स्पीकर्स, so on we can do that one. All these things there we are going to work on that one. These are the applications are there. We'll discuss some little basic about that one here. So the magnetic fields are the fundamental mechanism by which energy is converted from one form to another form. मोटर में कौन सा एनर्जी से कौन सा एनर्जी फ्लो ट्रांसफर हो जाते हैं? मोटर में सो करंट दिए तो बटन दबाने के बाद ही मोटर चालू हो जाते हैं ना.
Yes, sir.
So button means electrical energy we are giving.
Electrical to
So it start to
mechanical.
rotate, electrical to mechanical. Generator कैसे करते हैं? अभी देखा क्या नहीं देखा मालूम नहीं है. सपोज आपका ओल्ड साइकिल है, उसको आगे हेडलाइट रहता था, मालूम है कि साइकिल को तुमने फाइडल मारने के बाद ही वो लाइट जल जाता था.
Yes, sir.
दैट इज नथिंग बट फाइडल मारना है तो मैकेनिकल एनर्जी है, लाइट लग रहा है तो इलेक्ट्रिकल है. So motor
Electrical.
vice versa is nothing but generator here. Motor electrical to mechanical conversion karte, but generator mechanical to electrical it is going to convert. And transformers, it is one form of electrical circuit is transforming from one circuit to another circuit को transfer करते. Transformer का है same electrical to electrical only, but एक circuits के दूसरा circuit को transfer करते. So 4 basic principles describes how magnetic fields are used in this devices here now. 4 basic principles we are going to discuss here now. A current carrying wire produces a magnetic field in the area around it. अभी discussion किया हमने, ये current carrying conductor है, उसके अंदर current pass हो गए तो उसका surrounding area magnetic field produce हो जाता है. First thing, first principle. Second principle, a time changing magnetic field induces a voltage in a coil of wire if it passes through that coil here. So एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस हो जाते एक वायर से, वो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड दूसरा वायर से लिंक हो गए तो उधर भी ईएमएफ वोल्टेज इंड्यूस हो जाते. दैट इज कॉल्ड, ये प्रिंसिपल है ना, ये ट्रांसफार्मर में एप्लीकेशन हो जाते. एक कॉइल में हम करंट दे रहे, दूसरा कॉइल को हम करंट ही नहीं दे रहे, देन ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एक कॉइल से दूसरा कॉइल को लिंक होके वो दूसरा कॉइल में वोल्टेज प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रांसफार्मर प्रिंसिपल हमने बोल सकते हैं इसको. So that is the second thing. Third one, a current carrying conductor in the presence of magnetic field has a force induced in it. एक ऑलरेडी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस है, वो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के अंदर एक करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर इज नथिंग बट वाइंडिंग रख दिया ना, इट विल स्टार्ट टू रोटेट. वही मोटर प्रिंसिपल है. मोटर सप्लाई दिया तो रोटेशन होने के लिए चालू हो जाते हैं ना. यस, so that is
Yes,
the
sir.
motor action बोलते हैं हम. That is called motor action. Next one, a moving wire in the presence of magnetic field has a voltage induced in it. A moving wire means अभी हमने कुछ सप्लाई नहीं दी है, बट क्या देते हैं, जोर से पानी से प्रेशर से हमने हैंडल जनरेटर रह सकते हैं, हमने हैंडलिंग मारने के बाद हमारा करंट आ जाते हैं. हैंडलिंग मीन्स व्हाट हैपन, वी आर मूविंग द कॉइल inside the whatever the rotor is there, we are moving that one. भाई पानी, हाइड्रो पावर प्लांट देखा है ना आपको, डैम का नीचे पानी बहुत फोर्स से वो जनरेटर का वो रोटर को है ना उसको धक्कल दिया तो वो रोटेट होने के लिए चालू हो जाता है. वो रोटेट होने के बाद हमको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आ जाती है आउटपुट. ये कॉइल रोटेट किया तो दूसरा कॉइल से हमको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आ जाती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड जनरेटर एक्शन हियर नाउ. सो दीज 4 प्रिंसिपल्स आर देयर. फर्स्ट वन इज द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल है. Second one principle, it is applicable for the transformer. Third principle, it is applicable for the motor. And fourth principle, it is applicable for the generator. So these are the 4 principles. So who is electrical engineer, who is mechanical engineers, you people will study detail about the transformer and motor generator in the second year. Second year में detail study करते. Just for your knowledge, I have explained this one. थोड़ा मालूम रहना है बोल के एक्सप्लेन किए. एक्चुअली इतना डीप में सिलेबस में नहीं है. देन आल्सो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन दैट वन. वी विल स्टॉप हियर ओनली एंड वी विल कंटिन्यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास.